Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make super easy and delicious healthy dal. Here I'm going to show you, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And let's get started how to make this recipe. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. First I'm going to soak for dal. So I'm gonna add for 1% for 1 hand is enough. So here I'm going to make for 2%. Next I'm gonna add hot water and soak for 25 minutes. So some chili and garlic I'm going to make this paste. Salt, just a little bit water. Alright, my chili paste is ready. Now I'm gonna set aside this. Here I'm going to chop some green onion leaves. I'm not going to use tomato and onion. So my dal is very simple. Okay, now after 25 later I'm going to wash my dal. Okay, so here I'm going to use my rice cooker. Now I'm going to put my dal. 2.5 cup I'm going to use water. Just a little bit salt, pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon oil. Now boil for normal high heat 10 minutes. Okay, let's check my dal is cooked or not. Look at. Now I'm gonna add just 1 teaspoon cooking oil. Heat the oil properly and remember always keep low heat. After heating the oil, I'm gonna add my chili paste. Next, add just a little bit green onion. Now you don't need to fry over, just fry for a few minutes. This is super duper simple easy way to make dal. Now it's done. Turn off the heat here. I'm gonna add just a little bit salt and add some green onion. Now it's ready to serve. Okay guys, now my super easy and delicious recipe is ready. So I hope you guys enjoy my how to make shortcut dal recipe. So if you like my dal recipe, please guys do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And everything I always say, enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.